One superstock is poised to become an Apple employee, poised to reach an elite milestone. The prestigious $1 trillion club includes Microsoft, Amazon, and Nvidia. But what could be the key to opening this wealth vault? The two-letter game changer that's transforming our AI for the future holds the key to the solution. As we set out on an exciting voyage into the heart of innovation with Tesla, viewers should fasten their seatbelts. Will Tesla's entry into this exclusive club be fueled by artificial intelligence? Not only are they self-driving automobiles, but these are robots with an electric dream. Sheep. It's a story about a firm that has the ability to upend not just markets, but also everyday life itself. And it tells of the ambition of economies that could become endless. Are you prepared to see a revolutionary event? I'm sure. Are you ready for what could be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to invest? As we continue to explore this movie, please remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons and, of course, to ignore the notification. Ring greetings and welcome to Tesla Stock News. Tonight, let's start this video. We shed light on the US and its unparalleled power in the world economy. American businesses have continuously set the bar, dominating international rivalry and demonstrating the strength of free market ideas. In 1901, United States Steel became the first billion-dollar corporation, signifying the industrial might of the time. Fast forward to the 1950s, when General Motors was at the forefront and the auto industry was at its peak, becoming the first to hit an $10 billion valuation. The momentum continued, and by 1995, General Electric's diverse range of products helped it become the first $100 billion juggernaut. Finally, in 2018, we enter the digital age. Apple has surpassed a startling $3 trillion valuation after breaking through the trillion-dollar barrier and riding the iPhone wave to previously unheard of heights. Together, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Nvidia make up a distinguished group that surpasses the $1 trillion. Mark, these giants are changing the face of the world economy, not merely leading it. Let's change our focus now and discuss a business that is handling the market's curves with the dexterity of a high-performance car. With its sights set not just on electric vehicles, but also on the frontier of artificial intelligence, Tesla, this innovator in the field of electric vehicle technology, is poised to make a reappearance in the $1 trillion club, a status it briefly held in 2021 and 2022. Tesla is moving quickly in the direction of major value generation in the future. Let's analyze the most recent data from Tesla's fiscal quarter, which concludes on September 30, 2023. The company may have initially been sold off as a result of investors applying the brakes, but the insider believes that this decline may really be a sign that long-term investing is warranted. Throughout the EV industry, Tesla has continuously been in the forefront thanks to its innovative production techniques and automobile technology. Compared to other manufacturers in the industry, this invention generates a larger gross profit margin per vehicle, beating even those who are still competing with internal combustion engines. The corporation is experiencing some steep inclines despite its solid position. Consumer spending is being restrained in the current economic environment, which is characterized by rising interest rates and inflation. This is especially true for large purchases like new cars. In addition, the competition is intensifying as established automakers like Mercedes-Benz, General Motors, and Ford, as well as specialized EV startups, are vying for market share in the EV sector in order to overcome these difficult circumstances. Tesla has made a calculated decision by lowering the sticker prices of its cars. A new Tesla now costs, on average, $19.5, less than it did in August 2022, according to Cox Automotive. Tesla's competitive pricing power is derived from its impressive gross profit margin, which beats the industry average even after dropping from 25.1 to 17.9 just 1 year. By using its robust profit margins to offer more competitively priced vehicles, Tesla is demonstrating its proactive approach to managing market changes through this delicate balancing act between pricing agility and cost efficiency. At a time when consumer interest and environmental legislation are increasingly focused on electric vehicles, Tesla is not just aggressively expanding its reach, but also maintaining its market position. It seems that the third quarter's demand is being greatly boosted by these price reductions. Delivery of Tesla vehicles shot up 435,000, This is an impressive accomplishment, especially in light of the fact that it took place during scheduled production halts for equipment upgrades in China and Europe. The lower prices have hurt the automotive industry, even if more cars are being produced. Yet revenue growth only marginally increased by 4.5% due to pressure from pricing decreases. There is a bright spot in this tumultuous period, despite Tesla's net income taking a sudden turn downhill by 43.6%. As the reduced margins made it harder to fund operational expenses. Monetary projection Tesla hasn't slowed down production goals in spite of the challenges. The corporation is sticking to its plan to create 1.8 million cars this year and is continuing its aggressive effort to raise that figure by 50 a year in the upcoming years. There's a key perspective that emerges as we sort through the erratic data of Tesla's most recent delivery figures. Investors with long-term vision should take note of Tesla's fundamental distinction as a technological innovator that goes well beyond making automobiles. Imagine the driving of the future. According to Tesla's vision, automobiles will be able to drive themselves around on public roads, thanks to advanced technology that is now being refined. This goes beyond an update. According to CEO Elon Musk's third quarter report, it's a revolution driven by artificial intelligence and fed by over 500 million miles of real-world driving data. According to Musk, FSD might be prepared to go from beta to a complete release by the end of the year. This is about more than just selling cars. It's about paying for subscriptions to a service that can have a gross profit margin of up to 80%, which would revolutionize Tesla's business strategy. In Musk's ideal network, Tesla's self-driving cars would also function as ride-hailing services. Even though the typical car is only used for 12 hours a week, Tesla sees the remaining hours as a chance to employ these machines as robo-taxis, making money for both owners and Tesla. This bold initiative has the potential to propel Tesla's gross profit margin from its current 17.9% to an astounding 70%. According to Musk, Tesla's profitable software ecosystem could support and grow the business's finances even if it were to sell its cars at break-even prices. This would enable the company to lower car prices in a way that its rivals would be unable to match. As previously shown, Tesla, a $760 billion company, just needs a 32% jump in stock price to join the prestigious $1 trillion club. Using a price-to-earnings ratio of 64.3 and $361 in earnings per share during the last 12 months, let's analyze the numbers. Tesla's stock is already highly valued, and while price reductions may have an impact on earnings and extend the P ratio, the company's predicted 50% annual production growth may propel it to trillion-dollar status in less than a year, assuming pricing and the P ratio remain stable. However, the company's future holds even more revolutionary potential. Wall Street analysts are keeping a close eye on the autonomous ride-hailing industry, which is hailed for revolutionizing mobility cost efficiency by removing driver salaries and lowering expenditures. According to ARK Investment Management, this may result in an astounding $4 trillion in sales by 2028, suggesting that Tesla's stock price might rise by 60% from its present level, and that the company may be worth $6.01 trillion by 2027. Elon Musk has highlighted fully autonomous vehicles as the driving force for Tesla's expansion, citing the compelling economics that support his vision of a time when automobiles, which are now driven for a mere 10 to 12 hours a week, might triple in productivity. Converting Tesla to a hardware manufacturer with margins for software, as he discusses the advancements in autonomy brought about by Tesla FSD beta vehicles accumulating more than 500 million kilometers. Musk's enthusiasm is evident. During Tesla's third quarter results call, he alluded to the game-changing potential of the I-system, comparing it to a newborn AGI that could understand the actual world and traverse it on its own. Elon Musk employed a suggestion on autonomous technology that isn't limited to cars. Musk imagines a future in which completely autonomous humanoid robots become commonplace. It implies a profound change in the economic environment, going hand in hand with self-driving cars. The economic opportunities are practically endless if you have completely autonomous autos operating at scale and fully autonomous humanoid robots that are genuinely useful. During the call, Musk indicated that he looked more into the possibilities of these robots and that eliminating the constraints of human work might essentially result in endless economic growth. Musk is optimistic about Tesla because of the company's artificial intelligence, AI software, which not only directs the movement of its autonomous cars but also serves as the brains for their Optimus humanoid robots. While other players like Boston Dynamics are also blazing trails in the humanoid robot space, Musk claims that these robots will eventually be able to learn tasks simply by observation and will eventually take on the role of manufacturing themselves, creating a self-sustaining cycle of production. Musk's unwavering faith in Tesla's edge is maintained. By far, I don't think anyone will be able to execute it as well as Tesla. He asserted that this represented a daring prediction about Tesla's standing in the robotics industry. As he has acknowledged in the past, is Elon Musk's ambitious projection for Tesla's future an accurate representation of an impending technological revolution, or is it based on an exaggerated sense of speed? The most important factor during the Q3 results call will be time. When asked when Tesla's robot taxi service might begin, Musk declined to give precise dates because Alpha's Way and General Motors Cruise were already operating in the robot taxi market. There are other competitors in this innovative race than Tesla. Some could argue that General Motors currently provides a more direct stake in the rapidly expanding robot taxi sector than does Tesla. According to Musk, the future of Tesla's driverless vehicles is strongly linked to the accomplishments of its humanoid robot. It's important to understand that Tesla's path to become the most valuable company in the world is not just determined by its efforts, as its aspirations imply that delays in one could indicate failures in the other. Artificial intelligence is blowing through the sales of other tech behemoths like Apple as well. Nvidia, Amazon, and Microsoft are already part of the exclusive $1 trillion club. Though subconsciously echoing Musk's thoughts, to simply disregard Tesla's ambition would be to ignore the potential of AI to alter our world, even if it were to succeed in its pursuits and still lag behind these sector leaders. As Tesla moves forward with its AI-driven goals, artificial intelligence is set to be a huge game-changer. The intriguing chance that Musk's prediction will come true at some point still exists. Will Tesla change the face of technology, or will it adopt its competitors' creative strategies? Time will tell. After delving deeply into Tesla's ambitious journey, we are left wondering how AI can revolutionize the automobile industry and beyond. With fully autonomous cars and robots, Elon Musk's vision for Tesla promises a radical change in how we interact with technology and the outside world. However, there are still a number of unanswered problems, including whether Tesla can overcome competition challenges and live up to its autonomous promises. Will the company's AI breakthroughs enable it to join the present tech titans in the trillion-dollar value club? More importantly, is Musk's optimism a sign of overconfidence or a light of foresight? Participate in the discussion and share your thoughts in the space provided for comments below. Remember to subscribe to Tesla Stock News and press the like button as well. We appreciate your time and hope to see you in our upcoming videos.